The transportation system that we have for moving freight in the U.S., and particularly agricultural products and inputs, is wonderful, but it's also fragile. It's a competitive advantage that keeps us viable in global markets, but it's something that needs to be tended. In terms of rail infrastructure, we need to undertake policies that continue to encourage investment as we've seen over the last generation. And in terms of commercial navigation, the barges on the inland navigation system, we've done a wonderful job of taking care of that infrastructure, but it's aging, and so that it's more and more costly. We need to think about reinvesting in that infrastructure in order to preserve the advantage that we currently enjoy.
Do you see it as a public-private partnership?
I think public-private partnerships have a use, but in many cases, this is simply a role that the federal government has in preserving our ability to engage in global commerce.